up, my boys? And today we're in Safeway. So look at these jets, bro. Yeah, dude, look at that jet, dude. Yeah, kids definitely want this. So see these jets right here. Last time I probably saw a Lambo. So yeah, I saw a Lambo. Where's the Lambo though? Oh, dude, that one's sick though. Alright, guys. Ready? I'm gonna teleport. Okay? Whoa. Yeah? Wait, hold up. Alright, so look at this cup.
What are you doing, bro?
Oh, I'm making a video. So I was saying, I was going to make like a gummy, like a gummy brain. I said I was going to get the gummy brain today, but unfortunately, you guys are gonna have to wait for tomorrow. So, but in the next video, we are going to meet Ricardo Williams. So, Ricardo Williams is we're gonna play some more Super Mario 3D World. So, and then we're doing, other stuff. So, I don't know. I mean, let's go look for something. Okay, so I don't know where's the drinks. All they have is like soda and water. Cause we're gonna have to just get. Whoa! What's this? Let's try this kind. Let's try this kind. I'm gonna try this one. So let's get it. Huh. This is like a nice one. Ooh, I never tried this. I want to try it. It kind of looks like a water bottle. It's not really, but it's actually soda. But I mean, guys, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna make a second video. What is it like with this soda? So, all right, guys. So we're gonna go ask. I might get this. That's the only drink I can pick. But be right back, y'all. Wait. All right, so I decided to get the gummy instead. So, all right, guys. So this is the end of the vlog for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I'm gonna get this. Okay, I can see what it tastes like. In the next video, we're gonna meet Ricardo Williams. He's my stepbrother. So, bye.